no technique, nigga. You just sneezed in my shit. Like what? Like come on, bruh. That wasn't even no. You ain't even trying to do the. At least he. You feel me? By the end of it, you know what I'm saying? He mixing and you know putting it on or something. You know.
बहुत मजेदार है ट्राई करो प्लेट
What? No! I don't want that plate. Back the fuck up. You just sneezed in my shit. What is wrong with you? What the hell, bro?
कर दो
There wasn't no technique to that.